Hey guys, it's Mr. Bellion here, my grade 10s. Here we go. Okay, I'm just going to do another quick tutorial, and it's totally review about concept sketching, okay? Here's what not to do as opposed to what to do, okay? So I'm just going to hide that one, show you. This is what to do right here in this one, and what not to do is right here. And I'll explain why, okay? This is just some things I've seen in the past, so I might as well just discuss it with you guys. So here's what some people will do, okay? You'll see this and go, oh yeah, Mr. Bellion, I want to do this one. So what they'll do is they'll come in here and they'll just go, let me make this thicker here. Opacity, maybe reduce the opacity to be, not seeing it. It's on another screen. Okay, whatever. So here. And what they'll do is they'll start copying this right into it, whatever. It goes like this and they go, here you go. Here's one of my designs. Awesome, right? Okay, so what we've done here is we've just copied a form. All right, to me, I'd rather you guys would take this and say, okay, so what do we got here? We have a tapered cylinder, right? So here's my cylinder, Mr. Bellion. Boom, 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 and then I can curve it essentially, and here's the perspective down here, right? I can go like that. So now I know that this is technically really a cylinder, and that's tapered out, okay? So try to analyze things that way. So really, I don't want you to copy things exactly as you see there. All right, and if I'm looking at this building over here, and I know I'm rushing here, guys, I don't want somebody to go, here's my building idea. Boom, look at that. Hey, how cool is that? No. This is not what's happening here. We're just directly copying. I'd rather you analyze it and go, okay, so there's a structure here. I'm going to simplify it, okay? And there's another structure there. Okay, and maybe that's tapered this way, and then there's another structure here. Like, just take it apart, guys. Look how simple. Doodle. Okay, come in here and go, yeah, this is happening, and I've got something over there going away. So all this information is like, we have no idea what that is, right? I'll draw on a layer above here, for example. Hang on. So I have no idea what that is, okay? I like this This just reminds me of Calatrava, Catalan architect. So this is cool, right? So you want to have a bridge? Okay, so just say, hey, I have some kind of a bridge here, but I do have these kind of structures that are very rib-like, okay? And borrow it. Don't come in here and give me this. Oh yeah, here it is. I've got that one. I've got this, and then I've got another one going. Not yet. Just break it down. Break it down and say, oh yeah, okay, so that's one piece, that's another piece, and then I can make I can make a bridge. I can take what Mr. Calatrava has done. Santiago Calatrava, a really inspiring architect and an engineer. This guy is a brilliant mind of our time. Just like Frank Gehry, Zaha Hadid, these people really inspired me during architecture school. So I'd rather you guys do some cool stuff like this, okay? Take this apart and go, yeah, you know what, this is really a cube, Mr. Bellion. I get what's happening. This is another structure, and then the next structure comes in here, which is half a sphere. Okay, cool. Buy on that. And what layer is this? C on this. Okay, here. Let's get in here really quickly. Okay, I'm trying to keep all my videos between 5 and 6 minutes. I'm guessing this is going to go over. All right, I'm looking at this here, and I'm looking at that. Basically, what I did is I looked at inspiration. This is a Frank Gehry inspiration, hands down. So all I did is I just drew a base and I just did a bunch of rectangles. Look, from looking at his work, let me just come in here, move this here. I'm definitely drawing on a different layer. I got to draw a little smaller. But anyway, so here's what I'm doing, okay? Get out of there. And I did this. So I'm just working in just simple rectangles first, okay? So already I've got depth going on here. It's not just this. There's my design, Mr. Bellion. Well, in silhouette, I have no idea what that is. But this one here, look, I can have one form here. Very nice. I can have another form, and so on. So you take this simple sketch of just simple rectangles, okay? And then you tweak it further, okay? So I'm going to lock this up, go over it, boom. So for example, what I did there, and I basically said to myself, okay, so what if this, is this a new layer? Nope, right here. So what if I did something like this here? Okay, and I have this building, and I'm just playing with curves, right? I started with straight lines, and then I'm developing further, and this one is just going to be tapered like this. Okay, so now I can say, you know what, this is going to be all glass, for example, right? So look, in here, boom, I've got these shapes. So I'm developing. Whoop. What's going on here? Which app am I in? Right. So let's bring these two side by side. Here, I'm going to move this one that I'm drawing on right now, right here, and I'll just move this over. Okay, so what I want you to see is development. Don't rush to the end result. To me, we're missing an important part of design, okay? So you can see here, and you guys at home can do this with pencil crayons, markers, it does not matter. Okay, I'm just gonna come in here and now just have fun with this and just color away with a marker, okay? Or I can just come in here with paint, and let's get some, it's on the other page, so let me bring this over. Okay, I can come in here or even bring on my Pantone colors. Okay, so for example, let me crank this marker out right here, and I'm gonna, where am I? I'm in the layer underneath. Perfect. I'll just go like this. Watch, really simple, right? And all you just do is just bring your eraser tool and then go to town. Have fun. Okay, so look how cool that is right there. Okay, that's one form. Okay, so this time I'm going to go with a little bit of blue. You can do these all in different layers, or you can just do this at home like I did up here with markers. Okay, so you can go here, Mr. Bellion, look at that, eh? That's, now I know that's glass, right? You don't have to do this in color. However, look how fast I got here, okay? So I want you guys to keep things simple. Don't get caught up in the details. That is not where I want you to go. Keep it. So this is totally Frank Gehry inspiration, 100%. But I walked away and I'm remembering his doodles, his sketches, which are brilliant. And then here's what I'm doing to building things further, okay? So if we look here, you can see that all I did is play with a bunch of rectangles here. Pardon me. I'm just cranking here. Okay, I'm not gonna accept that. Sorry guys, here, I gotta say decline. I apologize, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so here it is, okay? Just a simple method of you guys. Once you deconstruct your research, go in here with simple shapes, okay? Please, please, please. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm talking to you guys in grade 10. Keep it simple, play with pencil crayons, have a blast at this. All you're doing is coming up with 4 buildings and your research down this week, okay? That's it, Bellion out, see ya. My grade 10s, this is an awesome project. Let's have fun.